एवरीवन, चलो आज हम एक कंप्यूटर के टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हमारे डेली लाइफ में बहुत ही पॉपुलर हो चुका है, जो हर समय हम उस पर भी अभी काम कर रहे हैं। मीन्स विल गेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स एट योर होम, नो नीड टू गो एनीवेयर। व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज द ई कॉमर्स। E-commerce means what? It is the none of the e-commerce is electronic commerce. Means we can purchase, we can sell any goods, anything with the help of e-commerce. That is the e-commerce. Means e-commerce is the nothing but we can sell or buy any product, any goods from anywhere. It's called electronic commerce. Now we'll see some points regarding e-commerce. In that first point, buyer means what? Buyer means what? If anyone will buy the product or anyone will buy the goods from anywhere with the help of e-commerce is called as buyer. Means to buy the goods, it is called buyers. In that next, seller. Once you buy any product, we have to sell also. That means you are who? The person who is sell any goods, any product is called seller. Means to sell the product is called seller. Now next, producer. See, without producer, no value of buy and sell. Means if you have no product, how can I sell and how can I buy? This is called producer. Means what? The person which is produce the product is called as producer. Simple example, that is the company. To produce the product is called producer. सिंपल सी बात है। यहाँ पे एक कंपनी है, सपोज ये हमारे दिस इज द फेमस और पॉपुलर कंपनी regarding our vehicle. If this company will not product anything, how can I sell or how can I buy? Is it correct? So we require first producer, then seller, and then buyer. Like this we can develop our e-commerce. Now next, some points I will be teach you. Okay, understood everyone? This is about seller and buyer. Now types of e-commerce. What types of e-commerce? See, types of e-commerce. In that first, B2B means what? Business to business. Suppose I told you about MRF company, it will sell their product to Atlas company. This is a businessman also, and this is also businessman. Both are businessman. Means business to business. This company will sell this product to this company. So it will be the business to business, means company to company. That is the business to business. In that second, B2C means what? Business to customer. Yes, business to customer. Suppose this MRF और सिंपल सी बात है और इंडियन मोबाइल और एनी अदर मोबाइल कंपनी. Simple, I am Realme. This is the company name. If I want to purchase directly, no need to go anywhere, no need to go any shop. What can I do? Directly I will purchase online. Means means what? I am a customer. I can purchase, I can buy this mobile directly. That is the business to customer. Means this businessman will directly sell the product to customer. Means we can directly get. This is the things regarding this we can see. Now next and third part, C2C. इसका एग्जाम्पल अगर देखना है तो आपको मालूम है सबको, अमेजॉन, these are the some websites, these are some applications to buy online product. Same C2C means what? Customer to customer, करेक्ट. अब इसका देखो मैं, आप सभी को मालूम है OLX. This is the very popular application. This is the very popular business site which is directly sell customer to business or customer to customer. Suppose I want I want sell this mobile, or I want sell this mobile directly customer to customer, but sometimes we have to go to shop and give tag shopkeeper, but no need to go there. We can directly sell customer to customer with the help of this OL. Now suppose this is one customer, here is another customer. This mobile directly sell to this second customer. Understood about this? Everyone, see. Now next and third point, last, fourth type, that is customer to B, means business to customer to